All right, guys. So we made it to Anakeesta. EVH-K28.
Remember the last three? I got EV.
All right. K28. All right, guys. So we made it to this place called Anakeesta. Anakeesta. We made it to this place called Anakeesta. We're gonna be going up this gondola up here all the way up the mountain. I hope it's a lot of fun, but I'm extremely ready for it.
We have it.
Anyway, guys, we paid for our tickets. We are on our way to go all the way up that way. Let's see tres, man.
I don't know.
3 and 3.
3 and 3. Okay.
3 and 3.
I'm sorry. I failed Spanish too. 3 and trays. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. We'll see you at the top.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so we're in Best Buy, right? We're walking around. We get to the bladeless fans, the Dyson fans, and Sully over here throws a little fart. Then this Asian little kid with his dad walks up, and the Asian little kid says, "Daddy, don't buy these fans. They stink." Little did he know, she went over there and farted. So that little kid got blasted in the face.
I farted as I walked by, and
he walked by right behind.
And he was like
he's in front of the fan.
Don't buy these.
They smell bad. His dad is probably like, "What the fuck do you mean they stink?"
He's like, "This dumbass kid." They know they smell.
Oh, he's smelling your fart. That's funny.
Oh, guys, that's too much. Guys.
It was hilarious.
I don't know. This is too funny.
It was just one of those things you had to be there, man.
So, we made it up. We made it up to the top, guys. And it was a pretty cool ride. We just got off of it. We're chilling up here. It's like a nice little village up here. Oh, look. Bluebell.
There's a village on the mountain.
Bluebell right there.
Oh,
where's the bathroom?
no, they're right here.
Guys, we gotta wash our hands and stuff. I'm probably gonna have to wash the GoPro grip and everything. But once I wash my hands, I'll be back with you guys. Look at this one, Joe. how clear the GoPro.
Sweat, man. I was done sweating for today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take another shower when I get home.
Bro, the GoPro makes everything look so clear. Look.
Yeah.
But we're on our way up to there, guys. I'll see you guys once we get a little bit closer.
This is all up. All right, y'all. We made it to the top of this sky tower. Here we are. Got Nico here. Sully's down one level. She.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, there she is. We made it.
My knees hurt.
Our knees hurt from that hike to the chimney top trails today, but hey, we did it. We did it.
That cliff jumping was very refreshing.
So here we are at the Sky Tower in Gatlinburg.
Breathe, bro.
1 foot or inch?
Inch.
So we're gonna put glass panels. I wouldn't trust that. I wonder if we can see Mom and Dad.
Oh yeah, they're over there. Look. Hey.
Hey!
Babe, they're over here. Look at this, dude. Cove Mountain, which is where we were. Cave Cove, ain't it? Oh no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Knoxville.
Oh, it shows you like
What we're seeing.
This is all
Everything that we're seeing.
that we're seeing in our view
So
right now.
From this thing.
From west to north.
From west to north. This is what we see.
Oh, that's cool. Mom and Dad got it, man. If Dad would his.
So where was Case Cove then?
Yo, we're gonna go up with that one to get to the glass bridge. That's a big one, bro.
Get some shit shown off.
Oh yeah. And Sully's pants, not mine.
Are you sure it's that one and not this one right here? See the orange pole?
I'm tripping. It's that one. Cause look at the bridge over there. Babe, and look, if you look at this,
It shows you where
it shows you the mountain ranges and what cities are like in that area. Look.
Claimant's Zone. Look. Over there.
Oh shit, Clingman's Dome. We were over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
Case Cove. Look.
It was that way.
Where's Kate's Cove?
Cage Cove, we were there yesterday.
Northwest, so it's like that way.
Sorry. Here, so that way.
That way. That's what's up. I like that.
Clingman's Dome. South.
Let's get a selfie.
So that's where we were jumping today.
Yeah. Sugarland Mountain.
Hey, can we get a selfie? Look at this house. That must be newer.
Yeah, I want to. Look at that right up here.
Hey, get a selfie.
But you appreciate America.
Holy smoke, my face.
I love this thing up here.
Really tough shows we need to do.
Why do you make it so heavy?
What do we do today?
Oh, chimney top trail. Yes.
If I was like this year, I would be doing that a lot. Together.
Just did it.
Is this real wood? Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
It's all real wood.
No, you know in Florida they be using that fake synthetic.
Yeah, you know. This is real. They have so much wood and spray down there.
Alright guys, so we just made it across that. We're on our way to our parents. We're ready. It's chilling, guys. We're up here.
Where are these roses? SpongeBob SquarePants! Hey, my dog!
That's cute.
Yo, it's fucking lit, guys.
Who's gonna say Marco?
Marco!
Marco!
Rubio. Ew, Rubio.
Oh, guys, so we're on our way down. It's pretty lit, guys.
And we're back.
Yeah. I feel like I knew what to expect. She was trying to get off. Alright, guys, so we made it down from the mountain. As you guys saw, we played Marco Polo with a few people up there on the mountain. SpongeBob SquarePants, all that crazy stuff. We broke it, guys. We broke it. But I think we're gonna go to another bridge, and once we get over there,
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have a
you.
good one.
Once we get over there, I'll let y'all know. We're probably gonna eat some food. I don't know. Where's mom and dad?
Oh, I saw that.
Whoa.
Man, I gotta take one of these home, but I don't know which one.
I don't know which one. They have like, what's it called?
You guys ever been to Pepper House before?
No.
It's a locally owned company. Everything's made here in Sevier County. So our kitchen, our home office, everything's here.
Oh, awesome.
If you're looking for a specific brand, all we carry is our stuff. So
No, I'm not looking for a brand. I like all kind of hot sauce. So, I mean,
well, feel free, grab a spoon.
oh, really?
We're open till
Alright, guys.
we open again.
So,
We're gonna bring them on. She's at a restaurant waiting.
I tried this one. That one literally killed me, guys. It's really good.
She does? Yeah.
But
Bro.
you gotta be careful with these guys sometimes. Especially the ones that say caution, guys.
Bro, I had it. It's delicious.
It's delicious, but
I had that.
the death one killed me. But I'll check back in with you guys once we get to bubblegum. We might come back here in a little bit.
We'll
So,
have mom check it out.
yeah, we'll definitely have our mom check this stuff out.
Yeah. Dad took a dope ass panoramic
Uh-oh.
there, yeah, of the whole city.
Alright guys, so we are on the Sky Bridge. No, thanks for the correction though. We're on the Sky Bridge in Gatlinburg, guys. We are crossing across. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was crossing across. Leave me alone. Crossing across. But I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was a little scared at the beginning. But my brother came and he was like, y'all gotta do it.
Big bro to the rescue.
Big bro to the rescue.
Big bro to the rescue.
I was like, guys, I was contemplating so much. But I was contemplating a lot, and now we're chilling.
Now we're almost there.
Yeah, and now we're chilling, I feel like, because once we get up there, we'll chill for a little bit. And I was contemplating hard, bro.
There we go.
What's up, y'all? Conquering the fears, walking backwards.
Look at the city, guys, from the Sky Bridge. Beautiful. We can see the whole city of Gatlinburg from up here, guys. So nice. Sky Bridge in Gatlinburg. Man, look at that whole bridge back that way. It's probably a good, like, I'd say what, about 500 feet, maybe more. It's a nice long bridge. Sky Bridge in Gatlinburg. Last night of our vacation. We're heading back tomorrow. Gotta enjoy what we can, you know?